Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add more fields to your project on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project on GanttPro. Let me go with that one here. Select the view. I will go with the Gantt chart. And then below, guys, you will see these fields. You will see them also in other views, of course, but I will go with the Gantt view. So if you'd like to add more fields, click into that plus button here, and that is going to open up that panel here to the right. So you can decide to show or hide fields for the given project, like end date. Let me go with that one, then the creator, then the priority. And as you can see, that list here keeps growing. So if you add more, or if you keep adding more of these fields, the list will be growing as well. So you can also unselect these, of course, and reduce it to a minimum of, let's say, only these 4 here. You can also, let me also remove the end date. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.